Hey, so I found this in my glove box when I got my Miata, my ND MX-5. So I saw this and I was like, okay, well, where are these plugs? And you know, I was kind of looking for it right here, right under here, and I didn't see it, so I didn't figured it might just be something inside, maybe not important. And then when I actually jacked up the car, you actually see these holes here. And so this hole is I think this is what they used when they transported the car, and you were supposed to cover these, so then things don't get up here and clog stuff up here. So basically you just want to push that up. I'm at a weird angle. I'm gonna put down my phone. Hopefully that's recording. So squeeze it up there and push it up. You would think it'd be a lot easier, but it's not. Alright, it's almost all in there. And there you go. Oh, here's a little pop. So that's good. And then so, just to show you guys where that position is, it's you know, it's behind the skirt, actually, on like where the chassis is. And it's just for a point of reference. And there's a door handle. So if I go down here, door handle, and then past the skirt, so it's actually right here. So there's this indent here. If I go up, it's roughly around here, going down and underneath. So technically, you don't even have to jack up the car if you know where it is. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side.